So guys, I'm doing a little test here. I have the Bugs 3 Professional, so it's a GPS based drone, but you can put any type of like action camera on it, and it comes with a decent 1080p camera, but I wanted to really step it up in the 4K ability. But then also the GoPro Hero 7 adds stabilization. So since the Bugs 3 doesn't have a gimbal like the Mavic 2 Pro and other drones like that, I thought maybe the stabilization in the GoPro Hero 7 could be pretty beneficial for mid-range price drones like this. It could really like step them up a notch. So what we're going to do first, I'm going to set you guys down and we are going to fly this thing with just the normal just camera first. So I am recording. So you can see like everything is going good. It has GPS, so it's pretty stable. It has 14 satellites right now. It should be recording, and we're just gonna fly it around for a little bit. Okay, so we are done with that test. We basically just flew the drone around sporadically. But with the Bugs 3 Professional, you can just take the camera out. And this is a very basic camera it comes with. It's like very light, it has no screen, it has no buttons. Like it's just like a 5G camera made for FPV shooting. Whereas the GoPro doesn't really have that ability. So we're gonna have to set up all the recording and stuff first, but it's gonna be easy. We're just gonna set it for 4K 30 frames per second. So this is the settings. Hopefully you can see it. We're shooting 4K 30 frames per second, so we're going to start that. Yeah, so you can see this, like it doesn't really fit. For some reason the GoPro is a little bit thicker and it doesn't fit in this mount very well, but we're going to just wing it. It's gonna be like this. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the drone is like shaking. It's got like the wobbles from the GoPro Hero 7. I don't know if it's the weight or if because it won't clip or what. It definitely liked the default camera it came with more. I'm very curious if this shaking is going to be fixed with the Hypersmooth technology. So let's fly it around and see. Okay guys, so I kind of figured it out, the way to get the GoPro on this thing without it like shaking like crazy. So I basically just used like the mount that the GoPro comes with. It doesn't really stick up there very good because there's not like a solid surface, but it worked. As long as you don't crash the drone, the GoPro shouldn't pop off, but it's not really anything 100% sturdy either. I would look into like a better mount for the Bugs 3 because this one did not work. So let me get the GoPro out. So you can kind of see like the GoPro versus the action cam that it came with. The GoPro is a lot heavier and just bulkier and thicker. So the Bugs 3 Pro doesn't really do a great job in supporting that drone very well. The like basic action cams work just fine with the Bugs 3, and it's like a mid-grade drone, so it's not going to be perfect. If you want a drone that can fly the GoPro Hero 7, As much as I hate to recommend it, the GoPro Karma drone works really well with it because I've tried that out. But for the most part, if you want a GoPro experience with the Bugs 3, then you'd have to get an older GoPro, the ones that aren't waterproof, because those aren't as thick. So guys, I will put links to everything I talked about in this video in the description below if you want to check it out. Let me know what you think about the GoPro footage. I haven't even looked at it yet, so I'm curious if it's really shaky or not, and the footage of the default camera as well that came with the Bugs 3 Pro. I want to see what that looks like as well. Hope you guys have a great day. See you later. Bye.